Dr. Stuti Shukla. I am a ENT surgeon from Delhi. I wanted to share a little information with everyone in this era of pandemic. It's extremely difficult to keep yourself safe, and I'm sure everybody is using all the precautions. This was just a reminder to all of you for a small suggestion that I wanted to make. There is something called as a pulse oximeter. So I would suggest each one of you to buy this and keep it handy at your home. The only thing, the benefit of what this actual instrument is, so what happens when you use this? Whenever a patient of corona falls sick, so the most important thing is there can be different symptoms, for example like fever, cold, cough, and the most important thing is breathing difficulties. So it actually doesn't see if you're young, if you're old, or if you're a kid, or if you are someone very in your old age. So it's very important to actually keep a check on how your breathing is. So this actually helps during those times. So if you're home quarantined, or if you actually feel that maybe I am falling ill or I'm having some breathing difficulties, in that condition you're supposed to attach this on your finger and then press a button. You can use this from any brand, from any company. So once you attach it, it starts showing the reading of on this small monitor here. So it shows the pulse rate as well as SpO2, and like it says 99 here. So when it shows anywhere above 95 to 100, actually 100 is a common, 100 is the maximum amount of SpO2, and whenever it shows somewhere between 95 to 100, it means your body has enough oxygen in your blood. So the hemoglobin binds to the oxygen in your blood and it measures the oxygenated hemoglobin in the blood. So whenever the hemoglobin is above 95 to 100, it means you're normal and you don't really have to worry. Whereas if it is anywhere between 90 to 95, that is when it's actually worrisome. So if it is handy, if you have this at home, if you have elders at home, you can record this and it will help you to diagnose and to understand the progress of your disease. I hope this video is of some help to you, and thank you for listening to me.